Good morning, it's Laura Kelly with Keller Williams, and behind me you can hear the chimes from the bells of USD. It is 12 o'clock and I am over at 5161 Gardena, however you like to pronounce it, here in Bay Park, and we have a beautiful investment property, if you will, maybe rental. This property has so many options. The initial home is only 1,100 square foot, but it's remodeled throughout, and of course it has a spacious garage slash living quarters, if you will. Lots of space for parking if you wanted to park your motorhome, RV, boat, cars, what have you. Let's take a quick look at the house. I'm open from 11 to 3 today. I would love for you to stop by. Here's the primary suite. Of course, the second bedroom. So much natural light. Come see me.